Rahim. Welcome back to We Teach. I hope my We Teach family will be doing best. Sorry, this is 8cc. Ninth and 10th metric का तो माशाल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छी guidance की है. May you all succeed. So I wish कि हमारी first year and second year के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा journey है, and may this journey be helpful and full of knowledge for you all. So before wasting our time, let's jump on to chapter 1. Chemistry के Chapter 1, definitions and numericals are very important. So define mole, Avogadro numbers, limiting reactant, theoretical yield. Then examples and numerical problems are very important. One question which is very important and chances to come is that in that full chapter 1, one question is just SLO based type, which requires thinking, is actual yield is always less than theoretical yield. It's written in your book, clear. So I hope more explanation might not be needed. So let's see chapter number 2. So in chapter 1, if long came, so that would be the numericals. Nothing else from chapter 1 is for long. In chapter 2 short, we have the postulates of Planck quantum theory. Postulates are very important. Defects of Bohr theory, hydrogen spectrum, rules for distribution of electron, and example and numericals. You have a few examples in numericals, so I would prefer you guys to have good grip on these, because if they come in short, now it's like you have question 1 and you have A part and B part. So I would prefer you guys कि थोड़े से numericals हैं, या अगर आपने सारे नहीं भी करने, which we are telling you, so do those one, and those should be on your fingertips. And one more thing, what you guys need to do is that if you guys forget the numericals, there's a technique to score few marks. अब देखें 4 में से 0 लेना is not something good, or 3 में से 0. So what you would do is that first of all, read the question, write given data, and write all the data. Then write the formula. Formula. And this would be applicable in your physics exam also. Write the formula and then write solution. Again, write the formula. And if you cannot solve it more, just put the values and write any sort of calculation. So you might get half marks for this. Getting a 0 is not a good thing. It's better if you get few marks out of that instead of getting 0. So let's see, in chapter 2 we have done. Let's move on to the long questions. We have the equation for nth orbit of hydrogen. This is very important, and explain quantum numbers. In chapter 3 short questions, we have predict the geometries of molecules on basis of Whisper, and we have pH3 SOPBC12. MOT is superior than VBT. Justify. You do not need to write this in difference form. आप difference के ही points लिखें, but that should be in a paragraph form. In that way, you would get more marks. Write energy diagram of B2N2O2. Which one is paramagnetic and why? One more question from this is that para and diamagnetic का difference भी आपको लाजमी आना चाहिए. This is a very important question. आगे है dipole moment and its application. Differentiate between sigma and pi bond. Why pi bond is stronger than sigma bond is stronger than pi bond. This is even very important. So first you need to cover your syllabus, and in the end you need to learn these questions by heart. Inshallah, we hope that a percentage of these questions should be there in your exam, inshallah. So our next is chapter 3 ka long. Explain the geometries of the following on the basis of hybridization. So in कि आपने लाजमी practice करनी है. Just don't go through it, but I would prefer you guys to practice these once or twice, because these are the marks where you can full marks you can get. Theory में तो आपका फिर भी हो सकता है you miss something, you miss some point, but इधर तो if you write it correct, you would get full marks, inshallah. So coming up to fourth के short, write 3 applications of Dalton law of partial pressure, Graham's law of diffusion on the basis of kinetic theory of gases. Diffusion and effusion ka bachcho, you should know the difference. Okay, diffusion and effusion ka difference is very important also. Explains Joule-Thomas effect, derivation of critical form of Charles' law. So Charles and Boyle's law भी आपका important है. Explain problem, example problem this, self check this and exercise this. You need to practice these and have a grip on them. Okay class? So coming up to chapter 4 के long we have van der Waals equation for real gases, derivation of real gas from ideal behavior. So this one is more important. Important तो दोनों हैं and you need to learn these both. So I would say थोड़ा करें but अच्छा करें कि जब when your exam comes, so you do not forget the things which you had learned. Do less, but that should be on your fingertips. Now chapter 5 we have the short questions. Identify the intermolecular forces. It's CH3, CH4 and these all क्या आपने intermolecular forces बतानी है कि इनमें कौन सी forces हैं. Point of water much higher than the rest of the hybrids in group. What group is it? Group 6. Give 3 application of hydrogen bonding. तो hydrogen bonding की 3 applications आपने लिखनी है. Applications बच्चों and properties आपने लाजमी करनी है. Properties and uses of liquid crystals. Coming up to the long questions we have London dispersion forces and the factors affecting the LDF. So the next one is chapter 6 ke short. We have what type of crystal will each of the following substance form in its solid state. So crystalline. Okay, that's another one I will tell you afterwards when the topic comes. Wait a minute. Then comes the B1, explain allotropes of sulfur and transition temperature. It's very important. Lattice energy with examples and factors affecting factors of lattice energy are very important. Explain the structure of NaCl on the basis of unit cell. It's Cl, not I. Differentiate between these two. Then comes the chapter 6k long. Then we have is write a note on covalent solids and ionic solids. Explain the following term: polymorphism, anisotropy and isomorphism. These 3 are very important terms. ये आपके short में भी इनकी separate definition they can ask from you. So the chapter 7 के short, if we see, we have, wait a minute, let me zoom it for you guys that you have a clear view. Chapter 7 के short, in equilibrium, we have got an equilibrium में एक equation है, वो पूछ रहे हैं what is the effect on the position of equilibrium if अगर temperature increase हो रहा है, pressure decrease हो रहा है और amount of nitrogen add हो रही है, तो क्या effect होगा. You need to write that. One more thing I would tell you that the more you would add headings to your question, the more marks you would get. So the next question we have is discuss 2 application of equilibrium constant, extent of friction and direction of reaction. Different ways to express equilibrium constant, relation between Q and KSP. This is very important. Examples and ये exercise के problems आपने कर लेने हैं. Chapter 7 के long we have बच्चों is industrial application of Lee-Chatelier principle. Write note on common ion effect and give its 2 application. Common ion effect is very important. You need to learn it by heart, and Chatelier's principle is also very important. Chapter 8 short we have relation between K and AKB. Write expression for ionic product of water, Kw and for pH. So this question is continued. And next is example, self-assessment and exercise. In our next video, you would be getting chapter-wise additional questions, and that would also be linked with the past papers. You would have an idea कि कौन सा question किस year ज़्यादा repeat हुआ है. So that would be more easier and more knowledge you would get from that, an idea कि which things are important. So this is a brief guest paper for you guys which you need to, ये तो बहुत important है जो आपने लाजमी करने हैं. And the next video is also very important. You need to go through that also. After preparing all the paper well, you need to learn them also once. So the next is chapter 8 long. We have what is hydrolysis, discuss in detail the behavior of each of the following salt. These are the salts. You need to explain their behavior. What is buffer solution? Give it application of buffer. So buffer solution is very, very, very important. You guys know it yourself also. So I'm also telling that buffer solution आपने लाजमी करना है. And chapter 9 के short है differentiate between instantaneous and average rate of reaction. Define rate law and order of reaction with example. Write the units of rate constant for different order of reaction. Arrhenius equation, constant and Maxwell Boltzmann curve. So बच्चों रेट लॉ एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन इसकी एग्जांपल आपने लाजमी इस उन्होंने मांगी भी है लाजमी लर्न इट. राइट यूनिट्स ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर डिफरेंट ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. आर्हेनियस इक्वेशन, कांस्टेंट मैक्सवेल और ये जो कर्व्स ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड सेल्फ चेक आपने कर लेनी है. नेक्स्ट इज द चैप्टर 9 का लॉन्ग है. आपने एक्सप्लेन कोलिशन थ्योरी. चैप्टर 10 का शॉर्ट है फिनोइल वाटर सिस्टम, Rolle's law and Gibbs restatement. Define molarity and mole friction. Justify the following facts. तो ये है elevation, lowering of vapor pressure is dependent on temperature. So you need to justify this कि lowering of vapor pressure depend है या नहीं depend करती, is independent of temperature, कि वो नहीं depend करती temperature पे. तो अगर आप इसके हक में हैं कि वो डिपेंड करती है तो आप लिख दें नो इट इज़ डिपेंडेंट. एंड अगर आप इस हक में हैं कि इट डज़ नॉट डिपेंड तो आप लिख दें येस इट इज़ इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ टेम्परेचर. सो यू नीड टू जस्टिफाई इट इन पैराग्राफ फॉर्म. आगे है कोलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज़ आर ओबेड व्हेन सॉल्यूट इज़ नॉन वॉलेटाइल एंड नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एंड व्हेन द सॉल्यूशंस आर डाइल्यूट. तो ये भी आपने जस्टिफाई करना है कि कब होती हैं प्रॉपर्टीज़ ओबे. आगे रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस फॉर शॉर्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चैप्टर 10 के लॉन्ग हम देख लेते हैं. हाउ विल यू एक्सप्लेन एलिवेशन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट इज़ अ कोलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक हो गया ये लॉन्ग के लिए. यू नो दैट बिग पैराग्राफ्स आर रिटन इन योर बुक. ड्राइव expression for molecular mass of non-volatile or and non-electrolyte solute. Okay, here there's a spelling problem. You can check it out. It's electrolyte solute. So these are the important long. Coming up to the chapter 11 के short we have enthalpy and state function का आपने define करना है. First law of thermodynamics. इसकी जो equation है आपके पास वो आपके MCQ में भी आ सकती है. Different दे के वो पूछेंगे which one is correct. Standard enthalpies which at least one. ठीक है, स्टैंडर्ड एंथैल्पीज विद एटलीस्ट वन एग्जांपल फॉर शॉर्ट. ठीक हो गया. आपने स्टैंडर्ड एंथैल्पीज जो हैं कोई एक दो आपने कर लेनी है याद. आगे सेल्फ चेक और ये प्रॉब्लम्स आपने लाजमी करने हैं. आगे लॉन्ग देख लेते हैं बच्चों. हेस लॉ विद एग्जांपल और बोर्स हेबल साइकिल फॉर NaCl. तो ये जो NaCl और एक वो दूसरी है CO2 वाली आपने दोनों कर लेनी है. तो ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. आगे चैप्टर 12 के शॉर्ट हम देख लेते हैं. व्हाट स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड, गिव इट्स कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड वर्किंग. बच्चों आई वुड से कि आप अपने कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर अब तो टाइम है अब आप लर्निंग ही करें. अगर आपके कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर हैं बहुत अच्छा है. अगर नहीं क्लियर तो थोड़ा सा कंसेप्ट वाइज भी आप अपने को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखें बिकॉज SLO मीन्स दैट मोर कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस वुड बी देयर. जस्टिफाई वाले क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा होंगे. तो जहाँ भी आपको जस्टिफाई का नज़र आ रहा हो कि इस लाइन से बन सकता है तो लाजमी उसे तैयार कर लीजिएगा. राइट द स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेट ऑफ हाफ रिएक्शन एंड बैलेंस द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शंस बाय आयन इलेक्ट्रोड मेथड. तो ये एसिडिक मीडियम एंड एसिडिक मीडियम. आगे प्रॉब्लम सेल्फ चेक एंड एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम्स ये आपने लाजमी कर लेनी है. Coming up to the next one, we have chapter 12 के long. What is electrochemical series? Give its application. Application very important है. Write a note on lead storage batteries. So I hope this was helpful for you all. So if you liked the video and this way we would be providing you content जैसे हमने 9th 10th को की गई and alhamdulillah their exams well very well. The video, give it a thumbs up. Azan has started, so I would end up my conversation with you guys. I hope you liked it and may it be helpful for you all. Very good luck and Allah Hafiz.